Next we'll go into our Reports tab, where you'll have several options for reporting and presenting information to clients. And here you can see the info reports that were generated and some of the detailed information you get about the system, as well as being able to see that report logo that we customized and entered. You can see the work report, which will examine information that was added to the system. So as you run programs, the function's custom report information will be added to there. You can also review the malware logs. So if you run through the malware removal, all of the malware logs will be put into this section here, so you can review and find details about what was removed and changed and updated, as well as be able to take screenshots. If you want to save screenshots, you can use the Take Screenshot button here. You can either capture the full screen without the d7x window, and capture the active window that you'll select after selecting this, as well as capture the d7x System Information tab. Also from this tab, you'll be able to manage and go ahead and send out your reports. So if you wanted to email the reports, copy the reports to a specific location, zip and save the files to a specific location, or go ahead and delete the reports directory. You can do that all from here. Next option we have is the custom work report, where you'll actually be able to build your own custom work report, and that does accept HTML. So if you wanted to enter in HTML code, those would be accepted and generated and provided as a report file for you. You'll be able to see everything that was logged as an activity during this session, as long as you had that enabled in the configuration. You can also see the alerts that were logged on the System Info tab. Here you also have some templates, which these are the ones that are included in the DMZ additional downloads for D7, and you can insert those by selecting it and insert and snippet. And you'll be able to add and customize this after it's been inserted. So if you wanted to come back and at the bottom here add the alerts that were logged, you can also do that as well, and you just double click the ones that you add there. You'll also be able to generate the custom report from the temp report here, and then you'll see your custom work report defined and set up here. And you can see some of the HTML that was included, as well as our events that we logged and set up here.